What's up, guys? We're here at the Khrome Werks rig. I'm going to show you guys some bikes over here, and I'm going to show you guys the different exhausts that they have, because you know Silverback rocks the black Eclipse Chrome right there with the louvered baffles, full exhaust system. That's the only way to go. Let me show you guys right here on the wall. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This is Chris, Khrome Werks. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Thanks, man. Got some shirts. Also, really cool. They don't make, like I said, they don't make an exhaust for a soft tail. So what he will do for me is put on a new set of grips, which I'll take always. So I'm gonna put on a new set of grips. This way I'll give a nice little touch. Hopefully one day they do make an exhaust for the soft tail, and then might be able to put it on here. Oh, sticky. Oh, sticky.
I like these grips better than that.
Nice.
These grips are nice. Oh, that's what's different is the end.
Yeah. Minor slashed here.
I like that. That looks cool. Yeah. This is nice too, man.
Oh, it works.
Hell yeah, it works. Look at that, Sandy. Yeah, it's showing my phone. Get your tickets. Fanatix.
I really like these. These slant tips are beautiful. Guys, definitely the best exhaust system on the market, not only for power, but also some of the best chrome finishing that you can get on a set of pipes. I'm not even joking. I have the black Eclipse Chrome pipes, full exhaust, 2 into 2 right here. And absolutely by far the best finished I've ever seen. The black chrome is just simply amazing. The sound of the bike it's killer. You guys seen the videos, you guys seen the ride videos. The bike sounds amazing. I have the louvered baffles on the pipes. Just a lot of people ask me what baffles I have, so they're the louvered baffles. But definitely come by here to Ocean City, Maryland. If you're in the area or at Bike Week, stop by the Khrome Werks rig to check out all their products. I think they're going to be here until Sunday, so come on by and check it out. Guys are taking a little lunch break now. They've been pumping out the installs here on the exhaust systems, and they'll get back to it. That's it from here, guys, so definitely come by and check them out. If you're at your next bike rally, make sure you stop at the Khrome Werks rig and get your exhaust installed, because it is the best. Nothing better.